Body makeup mistakes. Stepping into the world of body makeup is like painting on a living canvas. It requires precision, care, and a touch of artistry. But even the most seasoned artists can slip up if care is not taken. In the quest for that perfect, blemish-free skin finish, there are pitfalls that can mar the masterpiece. This video sheds light on the most common body makeup mistakes, offering expert advice on how to avoid them. From mismatched shades to streaky lines, we'll guide you through the do's and don'ts, ensuring your body makeup application is nothing short of flawless. So, let's dive in and learn how to sidestep these beauty blunders for a look that's as impeccable as it is enchanting. Exfoliating and moisturizing. Before applying body makeup, it's crucial to begin with a canvas that is both smooth and moisturized. Exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells, which cause makeup to look uneven or flaky. Following up with a good moisturizer ensures hydrated skin, allowing the makeup to glide on more smoothly and adhere better, resulting in an even application that enhances the skin's natural beauty. Using proper tools. The tools you use for body makeup application can make a significant difference in the outcome. Brushes and sponges specifically designed for body makeup can help distribute the product evenly, avoiding the streaks and blotches that can occur with improper tools. These tools are crafted to handle the texture and spread of body makeup, ensuring a flawless finish that looks as natural as possible. Matching your skin tone. Selecting the right shade of body makeup is paramount. A color that closely matches your skin tone will blend seamlessly and avoid creating an unnatural or patchy appearance. The goal is to enhance, not mask, your skin, and the correct shade will do just that, giving you a cohesive and polished look from head to toe. Blending thoroughly. Mastering blending techniques is essential for a seamless finish. Proper blending eliminates harsh lines and edges, creating a transition between makeup and skin that is virtually undetectable. This step is key to achieving a natural look, as it ensures that the makeup complements your skin without drawing attention to itself. Setting your makeup. To ensure that your body makeup remains intact and looks natural throughout the day, setting it with a powder is a wise move. A setting powder will help to lock the makeup in place, reduce shine, and prevent it from transferring onto clothing. It's the final step in securing a long-lasting, natural-looking finish that withstands the rigors of the day. Avoiding over-application. One common mistake in body makeup application is using too much product. Over-application can lead to a cakey appearance, drawing attention to imperfections rather than concealing them. It's important to apply body makeup sparingly and build up coverage gradually, focusing on areas that need it most to maintain a natural and refined look. Not skipping prep. Skipping the preparation stage can lead to a host of problems, including streaking and uneven coverage. Preparing the skin properly with exfoliation and moisturization is a step that should never be overlooked. It's the foundation upon which good body makeup application is built, and neglecting it can compromise the quality of the finish. Steering clear of mismatched shades. Using a shade of body makeup that doesn't match your skin tone can result in an unflattering look that ages your appearance. It's important to take the time to find the right shade that complements your natural skin tone, as this will ensure a more youthful and vibrant appearance. Avoiding harsh lines. Insufficient blending can leave visible lines and marks, which can disrupt the natural look you're aiming for. It's important to blend the makeup into the skin thoroughly, paying special attention to the edges, to ensure that there are no telltale signs of makeup application. Letting it dry. Not allowing body foundation to dry completely before dressing can lead to smudging and transfer onto clothing. It's essential to give the makeup time to set fully, ensuring that it stays on your skin and not on your outfit. This patience pays off by keeping your look pristine and your clothes clean. By following these detailed guidelines, you'll be able to apply body makeup with confidence, achieving a look that's both beautiful and natural.